Hello viewers, welcome back to Global Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare a whole lamb. A whole lamb stuffed with rice, nuts and minced meat. And this is a particular preparation taking place in every wedding in Gulf region. In this video, the first that we will show you how to prepare the stuffing with rice and nuts. Then we will show you how to stuff this rice inside the lamb. Then the cooking. So let's see the ingredients for the stuffing with rice and minced meat. Hope you will like it and you will enjoy it. To prepare the stuffing, I have some butter of 1 cup butter, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of black pepper crushed and 1 tablespoon of paprika powder and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. These are the spices that we will use in the preparation of stuffing. And I have liver. You can use either lamb liver or chicken liver. This is 2 kilo liver, and I have 1 kilo of minced meat with a little bit of fat, and I have 1 kilo of onion, 300 gram of cashew nut and 300 gram of almond flakes. You can use either whole almond or almond flakes. And I have 1.5 kilo rice. Heat to the pan and add the onion with the butter. You need to little bit overheat to the pan, so the butter and meat needs to be little bit burnt in order to have a caramelized flavor in the rice. The onion been fried as a golden brown color. Now we will add the minced meat to this and mix very well. You have to cook the meat in a slow fire, so it will not be like a, it will be like a cooked proper minced meat. You can use either minced lamb or minced beef. Both can be used to prepare this rice stuffing. Arey Animesh. We'll add the spices. Same time we will add the liver. Slowly, in a slow fire, we add the rice and add the needed water. Cook slowly. We will not cook completely because we will stuff this rice inside the lamb and we will cook it again inside. So during that process, if you cook the rice now completely, that will be overcooked. So we will cook it 50% and remove it from the fire. We added the cashew nut and almonds on the top. We will wait until the rice cooks 65%, not more than that. Slow fire. Cover the rice with a silver foil. Cook slowly. Remember, 65% only you need to cook the rice. The remaining cooking will be stuffing the lamb, and once you cook the lamb, the remaining cooking will be done during this time. The rice is ready. As you see, it's cooked 65%. Now we'll transfer into a tray and then we'll do the stuffing. See, the liver is not broken. Nuts are whole as it is. We have a fresh lamb. is open from the belly part, and we will stuff the rice inside and we will tie it up with thread. We'll cook in a slow fire and we will do some marination on the top of the lamb to have some crispy crust after roasting it. Fill the rice. If you do the completely cook the rice, after once you roast, the rice will be overcooked. So that's the reason you have to reduce the cooking time of the rice once you prepare it. If you use the raw rice, it won't be cooked perfect during the roasting. So once people cut and eat the lamb, the rice will be uncooked inside. Keep little bit empty space, because when we seat this lamb in the tray, the rice will come out if you completely overfill it. Now we will do the stitching of it. So we totally tie the lamb. You need a big oven to cook it. Otherwise, the shortcut way, what you need to do, you need to have a big pot. You add some water and you do the same thing. Arrange the lamb inside the water in the big pot and cook it totally sealed for 2 hours in a slow flame. Now we will do some crusting of spices on the top of this body. So once it's cooked ready, it will look good. We'll add a little bit of spices. This is paprika powder, and we will add a little bit of turmeric powder and some crushed black pepper, salt little bit. We'll apply on the all over the body. Do the same thing in another side. To have some nice aroma, we arrange some orange, some onions, some garlic on the top of the lamb while roasting. So here we are using, it's a very fresh lamb. It will take only 2 hours to cook. So 220 degree for 2 hours. That's the temperature and that's the timing. So let's see how it will look. It's cooked ready. Now we will remove the thread and serve it on a saffron rice. We will use this all vegetables to garnish this beautiful traditional wedding special dish, uzi.
Make it office also. Chocolate भेज भेज कोई बचा है?
थोड़ा रुको यार, मैं देता हूँ. थोड़ा ज़्यादा